So let me show you how to fast forward or how to rewind a clip or a song using the Nothing headphones. Now for that one, you're going to have to use the paddle. So this button here is what they're calling the paddle. So what you need to do is push and hold forward to fast forward, or push and hold backwards to rewind. Okay. So when you're playing either a song or whatever it is you're playing, so let me just open up this song and then let me play it. So if I push and hold like that, it's going to fast forward that particular clip. And if I push and hold in this direction, it should rewind that clip. But of course, that has to be enabled in the settings. So if you go to the Nothing X application like that, so on this app, you want to go to the controls, tap on that, and then go to the paddle and make sure the paddle right and slash left and hold is fast forward and rewind. Okay, so make sure that is what's up. Now it normally works better on things like YouTube videos or some music files you've saved on device. So if you look at this particular track which I've saved on device, when I push and hold, you can see it fast forwards that track. And when I press and hold in the opposite direction, it's going to rewind that track. Okay. Now, like I said, it doesn't work everywhere. You can see it did not work on Spotify, but it works on local files and some apps like YouTube. Thanks for watching and good luck.